speed limit 30 and you're already doing 20, then really, what are you going to slow it down to? Do you understand what I mean by that? So,
you know, I slowed actually from 25 to 20 when I saw slow.
I was watching your speed. You were continuously driving 23, 24. At the most, you peaked at 25. So you need to keep your speed reasonable, but you need to look around you as well. Early morning, there's not an issue. The roads are completely clear. But midday, travelling at 20 miles an hour on that road, it just causes you problems. And the reason for that is everybody will be travelling a lot faster. So you need to make sure that you're driving at a speed that meets the needs of the road that you're on. At the traffic lights, turn left. See, this is very slow now.
Yeah.
I'm glad you stopped. So what we should have done there was gone through that. When we were going through them lights, we went through on an amber and we were clearly over the line, so it was safe for us to continue. But you need to get around that corner as soon as you can. At the traffic lights, turn right.
Right.
Yeah. We're following the signs for Bradford.